Hey guys, what is up? JJ here with another review for you. This time for my Samsung Galaxy S8. It is this screen protector that a company sent out to me recently. Their name is Dendrobates. They asked if I could look at this, review it, and it sounded pretty good. So it's this form of hybrid screen protector where it's supposed to be like tempered glass and plastic. Really not sure how it works, but it's called soft glass. Right there, it's a soft glass unibody screen protector. It's got oleophobic coating, and it's supposedly waterproof, 3D fully covered, sensitive touch, thin and clear, and strongly protected. I do currently have a screen protector on my S8 right now, and it is this Delta Shield, which has been the best I've used so far. Tell you a little bit about this one right here. This is a film screen protector. And the way you apply it is that you put on like the special liquid that they give you in a spray bottle. You apply that on the phone, and then you apply the screen protector film on to your device. Then you squeegee out all the remainder liquid and you let it dry, and it looks pretty good. It looks really good on this. I attempted to put a tempered glass screen protector on this phone previously, and I found out that these phones just aren't meant for it. Most of the tempered glass screen protectors that are out right now have adhesive only on the edges. It's not full adhesive throughout the whole screen protector, so there's a gap in the middle and it just doesn't fit right. And it usually either falls off, gets full of like gunk on the corners, or breaks really easily, which happened to me when I tried it on. So this has been a really good option for me so far, but I'm excited to try out this Dendrobate one that's supposed to be kind of like a hybrid of those two. Now, I know one of the best out there, but extremely expensive, is the Whitestone Glass, which is an actual tempered glass screen protector that it comes with this huge set and UV lights and stuff like that to force it to adhere to the device properly. It's a whole system, whole process to put it on, but it supposedly protects your phone really well and has some great reviews. But it is pretty expensive. It's on the higher end. I think it retails for $40 to $50, whereas this right here retails for $10. Much better for people with lower budgets like me. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm excited to see how it works. And I will let you know at the end of this video what I think about it. Hey guys, so I've been using the screen protector for about 2 months now. And I've got to say that I am oddly surprised by it. I think it's actually a really, really good screen protector, especially for the value. $10 for what this offers. It offers, you know, good protection for this device. Now, is this a Whitestone killer? No. You know, simply put, you're paying for what you get. And Whitestone's value is pretty high. You pay a lot of money for it, but you do get true tempered glass. This isn't true tempered glass. Like I said, they market this as a hybrid form of tempered glass and plastic. And it works really well. I would say that the worst experience when it came to this screen protector right here was actually putting it on. And I think it was using that little tool that it gives you to, that you attach to the bottom portion of the phone. And then you lay it on there and you try to, whatever, flatten it out. And it's supposed to help guide you to put on the screen protector properly. But I feel like if I did put on the screen protector without it, it probably would have been a little better. Another issue was that in the video, I don't know if you can see this, but when I went to take off that top layer of plastic you remove afterwards, it actually pulled off the whole screen protector again. So I had to like really pull that piece off, then lay back down the screen protector itself. So I wasn't too happy about that. I would say I have worked with screen protectors that have been a little easier to install, but I am happy with the final product. There are some air pockets here in the corner. I don't know if you can see that right there. There's an air pocket. And then down here is another air pocket. Not huge, nothing massive, just a little annoying to my OCD. Some air pockets right here in the corner as well. And I do feel like that was because I might have touched those portions when I had to put it back on. But besides that, I think this is an awesome alternative to the Whitestone screen protector, which costs, I would say, like 3 times more the price. $10 versus $50, I think, around $50 for the Whitestone. So is this good for the price? I think it's great for the price, $10. It's definitely worth it. And it's a really good alternative to curved screens like the Samsung Galaxy S8. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video helps you guys out in the future with purchases and trying to figure out what you should buy versus what you shouldn't buy. And that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for viewing this video. Thank you guys for visiting my channel. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. And if you really liked it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more content like this in the future, and I hope you guys stick around. Thanks so much. Have a great one.